Hi there, students. Lost for words. Have you ever been lost for words? This is when you're so surprised or so shocked or so full of admiration that you just don't know what to say. Yeah, standing there with your mouth open. When I was awarded the prize, I was lost for words. I just couldn't think of anything to say. Yeah, I was so surprised to see him that I was lost for words. I was so angry that I was lost for words. Okay, if you're lost for words, you just can't think of anything to say. Yeah. I was gasping in surprise. I was lost for words. That's absolutely fantastic. I am lost for words. So notice, we say this phrase, meaning I don't know what to say about it. Oh, that's so kind of you. I'm lost for words. I don't know how to say thank you. I don't know how to give my thanks. Yeah, I'm at a loss for words. You can also use that phrase, at a loss for words. Okay, so when you're lost from words, you're speechless from surprise or shock. But very often we don't actually use it literally. We say I'm lost for words, or I'm at a loss for words. Yeah, I'm unable to articulate coherent thought. Yeah. You got A's in everything. You passed all your exams. I'm lost for words. I'm so proud of you. So one of the uses you can use this phrase for is to say, wow, I really admire what you've done. I'm really, really impressed. Yeah. I was lost for words at his generosity when he offered to pay for everything. Yeah. So you're so amazed, you're so shocked, you're so sad that you don't know how to express what you're feeling. You could even be stuck for words as well. Yeah. I was lost for words when the reporter came to ask me how I felt at winning the championship. I am lost for words for all of the nice things that my subscribers say. Yeah, you're such wonderful people. So, lost for words. You can be at a loss for words. You can be stuck for words as well. Yeah, but I think the most common is I'm lost for words. This is just simply the most incredible thing. I am lost for words at your generosity. Formality. I think I would give it a 4 in formality. I think I would only use this in an informal conversation or a semi-formal conversation. I'm not sure. Well, I guess you could write it in a semi-formal writing, saying the character was lost for words. But I think it's probably better used as a spoken phrase. And then the origin, well, you're lost, you don't know what to do, and you can't find the words, and that's clearly the origin of it. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating. Don't be lost for words. Subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Lost for words.